obtain Einstein's photoelectric equation. Obtain Einstein's photoelectric equation. Einstein's assumed Planck's quantum theory Einstein assumed Planck's quantum theory to explain phenomenon of photoelectric effect. According to Planck's quantum theory, light consists of packets or bundles of energy called as quanta or photons. Energy of each photon is given by E equals to h. Just copy this. Einstein assumed Planck's quantum theory to explain phenomenon of photoelectric effect. According to Planck's quantum theory, light consists of packets or bundle of energy called as quanta or photons. Energy of each photon is given by E equal to h nu.
Done, sir.
So Einstein assumed that light consists of packet or bundle of energy called as quanta or photon. Energy of each photon is given by E equal to h nu. Therefore, where nu equals to frequency of radiation, h equals to Planck's constant. when a photon of energy h nu is incident on photosensitive material, then it is utilized for two purposes. First, see, suppose you get, hello?
Yes, sir.
I said, suppose you get job and your first salary is 1 lakh rupees. That is like packet H nu. What you will do? If you get 1 lakh salary, what you will do?
Utilize it properly.
What you will utilize? I can say first, you will pay your debt. मतलब कुछ कर्जा रहेगा उसको पहला दे देंगे ना. Say intelligent person will try to first become debt free. मतलब no
Yes.
loan. तो my first priority will be what? Loan है उसको पूरा चुकता कर दो, बराबर? So h nu is your energy providing to that photon. Photon को कौन पकड़ के रखा है? बोला मैं जाने नहीं दूंगा जब तक मुझे मेरा कर्जा नहीं देता था. कौन पकड़ के रखा है उसको? वर्क फंक्शन, सरफेस, वो पकड़ के रखा है ना उसको. Not followed. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So those free electrons are bounded to the surface due to its positive ions. तो उसको पकड़ के रखा है ना इसने, सरफेस ने. बोला जब तक मुझे कर्जा मेरा देगा नहीं वर्क फंक्शन तब तक छोड़ूंगा नहीं. तो सबसे पहले वो लाइट गिरने के बाद क्या करेगा? उसमें से थोड़ा अपना कर्जा फिटूस करेगा ना.
Yes, sir.
So can I say first it will be utilized for work function?
Yes.
अभी जो बच गया उससे वो क्या करेगा? मस्त खुशी खुशी बाहर आएगा क्या नहीं? Coming out with energy is called kinetic energy.
Yes.
Okay, now see. So we can say then it is utilized for following two purposes. First, to overcome work function. Work function means energy required to liberate or make that electron free from the surface. So to overcome the work function, W0. Second, remaining energy appears as maximum kinetic energy of electron called as Ke max. So h nu gets divided into two parts. Partly work function में गया, remaining K max kinetic energy of maximum kinetic energy of that liberated electron. Please copy this much. Yes.
What is it next to W in the bracket?
0 0 W naught. W0 we have written notation for work function.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So h nu becomes Ke max plus work function. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, Ke max is h nu minus work function. This is known as Einstein's photoelectric equation. Write down. This is known as Einstein's photoelectric equation.
Done, sir.
Now, different form of same equation. Since Ke max is h nu minus work function, so I can say Ke max is h nu minus h nu 0. What is nu 0? Threshold frequency. So this can be written as half m V maximum square is h nu minus h nu 0. Write this second form, copy this much. So in place of Ke max, we can also write half m maximum velocity square.
Done, sir.
And this also.
Yes, sir.
Now Ke max is also E into stopping potential is h nu minus h nu 0. Equation 2, where Bs equals to stopping potential. So same formula we have written in two more form. Half mv maximum square is h nu minus work function, and E into stopping potential is h nu minus work function. Bs is stopping potential.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now I'm doing few numericals because 2-3 students are absent. Now only theory left out is, I will say, obtain characteristics from this equation. What is photoelectric cell? Its construction, working, application. Now before that, we start with some numerical MCQ. First few are based on moving charge only. Just open the PDF of MCQ. Come to first line. First one. Okay, just look here. Suppose these are two plates. Here I apply electric field. Upper plate positive, lower plate negative. And if electrons are entering here, what will happen? It will move up or down?
Up.
Up. So this will move up. Why? Because positive will always pull the negative up. So when only electric field is applied, then electric force provides centripetal force. That's why it is turning. Therefore, E into E, I will write mv square by R. What is power of V?
2.
2, na? And E?
1.
1. So whenever एक variable का power 2, दूसरे का 1, so path will be parabolic.
Yes, sir. Y is equals to x.
Yes, path is parabolic in nature. Copy this as a note. Theory will not come for this. Only MCQs they can ask based on this concept.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second point. When only magnetic field is applied. Perpendicular but inverse. Now tell where this electron will move. By Fleming's left hand rule. Field is inward, electron is right. So force will be upward. देखो आपके उंगली से बराबर आ रहा है. Inward, right, upward. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
But electron is opposite of current. So if the electron is going on the right, current will go on the left.
Yes.
That means force will be upward or downward now. Where will be the force, upward or downward?
Downwards.
Downwards, yes. So we can say when only magnetic field is applied, then magnetic force EVB is mv square by R. Now when I cancel this, we get ERB is mv. So power of V is 1, V is also 1, but it is curve. Curve can be power 1. So I have to square both sides. If square, then it is ek ka power 2, dusre ka power is also 2. Can I say path is circular? Path is circular. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Copy. Path is circular.
Done, sir.
Okay. Third point, if both fields are applied and beam of electrons remains undeviated, then electric force is equals to magnetic force. So V will be electric field upon magnetic field value. Okay.
Done, sir.
I'm starting with MCQ. Just open that note of electrons photon. Come to first MCQ. What is nature of electron when perpendicular electric field is applied? What will be the nature when electric field? Parabola, just now we did.
Sir.
Parabola. Option B. Second, third, fourth, all are similar or not. When electron enters perpendicular to the field, then what's the field? Magnetic field. Magnetic field, what we got? Circle?
Circular.
Circular path, that is nothing but B. Third one, cathode ray means electron enters in the direction perpendicular to the magnetic field. So electron enters magnetic field. Which path? Again, path is what?
Parabola.
Circle. नहीं magnetic field किधर parabola है? Electric field parabola है. Path is circle. D option. Magnetic field में EVB is mv square by r. एक भी cancel होता है ना? Next, electron, proton are injected in uniform magnetic field perpendicular to it with same momentum. What is nature of that trajectory? Electron, proton, that means charge. Whenever charge enters perpendicular to magnetic field, what is our concept? QVB is mv square by r. So QRB is mv. What is mv called? Momentum.
Yes.
And they are telling it is same momentum. So can I say charge of electron upon charge of proton, radius of electron upon radius of proton, same field, same momentum. Field gets cancelled, momentum gets cancelled. Charge of electron, proton are same. So radius of electron is same as that of proton. That means both will have same trajectory. Na? That means radius of electron is same as that of proton. Any doubt till 4? Hello, any doubt till 4 sum?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, completed then.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
An electron with energy of 1 electron volt, 1 kilo electron volt. 1 kilo means 10 raised to 3. What is 1 electron volt in joule? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9. So kinetic energy will be 10 raised to 3 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9. Enters uniform field of 3 millitesla, that is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. What is the radius of the circular path? The electron enters in the magnetic field. EBB is mv square by r. Therefore, r is mv upon eb. M upon eb. Velocity is twice kinetic energy upon mass in root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy half mv square. When you think properly, it will become twice kinetic energy upon mass in root is nothing but v, correct? So r will become m square twice kinetic energy upon m e square b square. Any doubt in the formula? 1m I can cancel. Any doubt in formula part? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Copy this one, then I'm substituting the back.
Done, sir.
So we got root of twice of kinetic energy, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon m, 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into upon m into m. M square goes up we got m.
So kinetic energy was 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 16.
Minus 16 किलो था.
10
किलो था. And denominator में क्या क्या आया?
Q square into B square.
E square into b square, correct?
Yes, sir.
1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. 1.6 into ये 10 raised to 16. Minus 19. B is how many Tesla? Many Tesla?
3 into 10
milli
raised to minus 4.
So it will become 9 into 10 raised to minus 6. Huh? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now what we can cancel? 1.6. 1.6 we can cancel. 9.1 with 9 we can cancel. 2 into 0.8. This is equals to root of. अब देखते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं. Minus 16 minus 31. How much?
27.
minus of 37. 0.8 into 10 raised. Minus 19, minus 19, minus 38. Minus 38, minus 6 is minus 44. Okay. Hello?
It is minus 16 plus minus 31, minus 47.
Minus 47. So 10 raised to minus 3 upon 0.8. Correct? Hello? So this is 10 upon 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Minus 3 I cannot bring outside the square root. So I have to do some adjustment. मतलब ये minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 ऐसा करेगा. Please copy this much. So root of 1 point, if we make it 100 upon 8, this will be 10 raised to minus 4. That is root of 12.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 in meter. Root of 12 means it will be greater than 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. That is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 1000 in millimeter. Let me see, answer is in millimeter matching or in centimeter or in centimeter. That means it is greater than 30 millimeter, which is option A, 36 millimeter.
Done, sir.
What voltage is needed to balance oil drop carrying charge of 5 electron? That means 5 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. When placed between the plate of capacitor, which are 5 millimeter apart, the mass of drop is 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 16 kg. What potential is required? So to balance means weight equals to electric volts. Therefore, mg equals to QE. mg equals to that 5 electron into E. E means potential upon distance. The potential is mg d upon total charge of 5 electron Q. So 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 16. G is 10. D is 5 millimeter, 10 raised to minus 3. And charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. This way there are 5 charges. So 5 cancel. 16 into 2, 32 cancel. 1.6 into 2. 10 raised to minus 16 minus 3 is minus 19. So 20 volt is our required answer. 20 volt.
Done, sir.
A charged oil droplet is at rest in electric field of 500 volts. Electric field of 500 volts. If the drop has mass of 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 12 gram, it is 8 into 10 raised to minus 13 gram. That is 8 into 10 raised to minus 16 kilogram. Then what is the number of electron if the oil droplet is at rest? Mg is QE. Since oil drop is at rest. Rest means it is balanced. It will be Ne into E. N equals to mg upon E into E. M is 8 into 10 raised to minus 16. G is 10. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 charge of 1 electron into 500. So this will become 8 into 10, 80 into 10 raised to minus 16. 1.6 into 50 will become 80 into 10 raised to minus 18. 80 cancel. That is 100. 1. Okay, completed.
Yes, done.
8. An electron and proton are fired through uniform magnetic field perpendicular with same kinetic energy. So again, same concept. Q V is mv square by r. So Q R V is m. Convert V in kinetic energy because they are telling same kinetic energy. So Q R V is m square twice of kinetic energy upon mass in root. I am taking ratio. Electron upon proton, radius of electron upon proton, field same cancel, same kinetic energy cancel. Mass of electron upon mass of proton, charges are same. Mass of proton is greater or smaller than electron? Yes, mass of proton greater. If it is greater, then this ratio will be less than 1.
Yeah.
So radius of electron is less than radius of proton when kinetic energy is same. Radius less तो ज्यादा कर, radius ज्यादा तो कम कर, correct?
Yes.
So that means electron trajectory is less curved? No. Electron trajectory is more curved. Option A. रहेगा? वो भैया नहीं देगा मैंने? कल कौन सा भेजा था? ट्वेल्थ का नहीं भेजा था? तो पहले वो जो 9th का पेपर के लिए मैंने देखो भेजा आपको। देखो अल्फा माइंड ने भेजा है ना, बोलो तो। देखो उसमें लिख रहा है के बराबर।
Done, sir.
An electron and proton are injected in uniform electric field at right angles. Now it is electric field. So electric field means QE will be mv square by r with same kinetic energy. So Q R E is m, v square is twice kinetic energy upon mass. This is just cancel. So charge of electron upon proton, radius of electron upon proton, field is same, kinetic energy is same, so this is one, the same. So both are having same trajectory. Both trajectories are equally curved. C option. Okay. Electrons are fired with velocity of 2.55 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second at right angles to the magnetic field of 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. Specific charge means ratio of charge to mass is 1.7 into 10 raised to plus 7 coulomb per kg. What is radius of the path? So Q B is m v square by r. So from this you will get Q upon m is v upon r. Copy this much. So specific charge is 1.7 into 10 raised to 11. V is 2.55 into 10 raised to 7. R we want is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 2.55 into 10 raised to 7 upon 1.7, 10 raised to 11, 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 2.55 into 10 raised to 7 upon 15 into 7, 105, 2.55 into 10 raised to 9. That will become 10 raised to minus 2 meter or 1 centimeter. So check whether meter given, centimeter given or millimeter. 1 centimeter is given. So option is C.
Done, sir.
11. A proton and alpha particle are having same momentum. Are fired through magnetic field. Magnetic field आया तो QBB is mv square by r. And then same procedure as we are doing. Same we did in moving charge also. They are having same momentum. So mv is same this time. Charge of proton upon charge of alpha, radius of proton, radius of alpha, field is same, momentum is same, cancel. So radius of proton to that of alpha will be charge of alpha upon charge of proton. Charge of alpha is double that of proton. 2:1. Option 2.
Done, sir.
Some number 12. Mass of proton is 1840 times mass of electron. And electron and proton are fired perpendicular to same magnetic field with same kinetic energy. The ratio of curvature of trajectory of proton to that of electron will be how much? Again, same concept. QVB is mv square by r. 1v cancel. So QRB is mv. Because same kinetic energy, I will convert this in terms of kinetic energy. V is twice kinetic energy upon m. Therefore, QRB is m square twice kinetic energy upon m in root. So charge of proton upon charge of electron, radius of proton upon radius of electron, field same, kinetic energy same. So root of mass of proton upon mass of electron. Charges are same, cancel. Proton upon electron is 1840 times mass of electron upon electron. So proton upon electron is, this is greater than 40 because 1600 is ज़्यादा है, so 43. C option. Yeah, shall I clear 12th?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A beam of electron passes through cross. Cross means perpendicular. Electric and magnetic field of value 7.2 into 10 raised to plus 6 and 2.4 Tesla. The beam goes undeviated. Since beam goes undeviated, so electrical force is equals to magnetic force. E is equals to EVB. Money cancel. So V equal to E upon B. 7.2 into 10 raised to 6 upon 2.4. 3 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Option B. 14th electron of charge capital E they have given, Q equal to capital E, liberated from filament, attracted by potential of V. Potential is V. Then what is the speed of electron? We know speed of electron is twice of kinetic energy upon mass. And kinetic energy in terms of voltage is 2 charge QV upon mass. Here Q is given as E. So EV upon mass. So option is 2 times EV upon mass, which is D. This 14 followed? 14?
Could you explain again thoughts?
Kinetic energy is QV. This formula, if you can recollect, you can do. Because work done upon charge is potential. So QV is work done. Work done is
Yeah,
kinetic
got
energy.
Next.
Next one. Now onwards, actual electron photon started. This earlier part where also can be included in 3 chapters: atoms, molecule, nuclei, electrons, photon, as well as moving charge. 15. Photoelectric effect is the phenomenon in which photoelectrons are emitted. So it can't be photon come out, AB wrong. Electrons come out of metal with constant velocity, which depends upon frequency and intensity, or electrons comes out with different velocities not greater than certain values. B is correct. All electron will not have same velocity because interior में थोड़ा सा energy ज़्यादा बचता है. 16. An electron is accelerated through potential of 200 volts. E by m of electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to 11 coulomb per kg. What is velocity acquired? Just now we did same type of sum. Velocity is twice of EV upon m. This V is potential. So 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to 11 into 200 into 1.6 into 2 into 2 will be 6.4 into 10 raised to 1.6 into 3.2, 3.2 into 2 is 6.4 into 10 raised to 11, 13. So we can write 64 into 10 raised to 12. That is 8 into 10 raised to 6. Option.
Done, sir.
Photoelectric effect is phenomenon in which light energy is converted into electrical energy. So 17th of B. Theory. 18th. Planck's work was connected with quantum nature of radiation. D. Planck's quantum theory is quantum nature of radiation. 19th. Threshold wavelength depends upon. Threshold wavelength depends upon what? Nature of the material.
Yes, sir.
That means work function.
Yes.
So because work function is hc upon lambda 0. So depends upon work functions. More greater the work function, more smaller is threshold wavelength. 20. The minimum energy required to remove electron is called as work function. 21. Stopping potential for photoelectron. Stopping potential depends upon kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is h nu minus work function. So it depends upon frequency and nature of the material, that is C. Frequency and nature both. 22. Photoelectric effect is described as ejection of electron from the metal surface when it is incident with light of certain frequency or certain wavelength, one and the same. 22 का C. Done, na? Next. 24. The magnitude of saturation photoelectric depends upon. Saturation will depend upon number of photoelectron, which depends upon intensity. Jada intensity, jada electron for same potential.
23rd.
23rd we did photoelectric effect. Oh, we did. In photoelectric effect, current will increase with increase in frequency. No. Decrease with increase in frequency. No. Does not depends upon frequency, but depends only on intensity. No. Depends upon both intensity and frequency. Frequency depend, then only it will be greater than work function. Number depends upon number of photon having energy greater than work functions. 25. Photoelectric current in photodiodes reaches saturation value because the number of electrons emitted, they depend upon intensity. 26. Last for 26. Graph between following two factors for photoelectric effect is a straight line. We have studied this in characteristic. Straight line is for what? Intensity and photoelectric current. So intensity and photoelectric current, that is A option. So next class we'll be able to complete this chapter with theory as well as MCQ. Sunday's test topic